Data analysis process. Data analysis is defined by the statistician John Tukey in 1961 as procedures of analyzing data techniques for interpreting the results of such procedures, ways of planning the gathering of data to make its analysis easier, more precise, or more accurate, and all the machinery and results of mathematical statistics which apply to analyzing data. Thus, data analysis is a process for obtaining large unstructured from various sources and converting it into information that is useful for answering questions, testing hypotheses, decision making, disapproving theories. Data analysis process consists of the following phase: data requirement specification, data collection, data processing, data cleaning, data analysis, and communication. We will look each one of it very deeply. First is data requirement specification. The data required for analysis is based on a question or an experiment. Based on the requirement of those directing the analysis, the data necessary as inputs to the analysis is identified. Example, population of people. Such variable regarding a population, example, age and income, may be specified and obtained. Data may be numerical or categorical. Data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering information or targeted variables identified as data requirements. The emphasis is on ensuring accurate and honest collection of data. Data collection basically ensures that the data gathered is accurate, such as the related decisions are valid. Data collection provides both a baseline to a measure and a target to improve. Data processing. The data is collected, must be processed or organized for analysis. This basically includes structuring the data as required for the relevant analysis tools. The example is the data might have to be placed into rows and columns in a table within a spreadsheet or a statistical application. A data model might have to be created. Next is data cleaning. The processed and organized data may be incomplete, contain duplicates, or contain errors. Data cleaning is the process of preventing and correcting these errors. There are several types of data cleaning that depend on the type of data. For example, while cleaning the financial data, certain totals might be compared against reliable published numbers or defined thresholds. Next is data analysis. Data that is processed, organized, and cleaned would be ready for the analysis. Various data analysis techniques are available to understand, interpret, and derive conclusion based on the requirements. The process might require additional data cleaning or additional data collection, and hence these activities are iterative in nature. Last is communication. The result of the data analysis are to be reported in a format as required by the users to support their decision and further actions. The feedback from the user might result in additional analysis. The data analyst can choose data visualization techniques such as tables and charts which help in communicating the message clearly and efficiently to the users.